Hey, how you guys doing? Brandon and Brittany here from SnoBomb Creations, coming back to you live again. Well, not live, I guess, but you know what I mean. Another recording live here at SnoBomb Creations.
Stop it. Get some help.
Join us as we create a beautiful elephant for a newborn.
Check it out. No, seriously.
Alright, so here we are on our Cricut design space. I went ahead and got a rectangle. We're going to use that for our outline. And then duplicated it. And then we changed the color to gray, because I want to match the elephant that we're working with. Turn it around, make it in the shape of the ears, and then we add another one. And then boom, we have our ears outlined. Next, we're going to be doing the name. I went ahead and changed all the details for the name. Go ahead and fill it in with all of our details. Get our little circles. You gotta be specific with what you want. You can shrink it down to size, and then you can go into contour and get rid of the ones that you would no longer need if it's still too big, but the right size that you want. Don't be afraid to play around with the words, spin them around, put them in different areas. Don't keep everything straight. Sometimes it looks good, sometimes it doesn't. Doesn't hurt to try it out. As you can see, quite a bit of information that goes on to this. Working on our time now. You can go ahead and change it up in the little corner. Otherwise, you could change it right there on the screen as well. For some reason my app wasn't working and going away once I tried up in the corner, so did it both ways. Gonna get some more bullet lines. Like I said, spin stuff around, make different uses for it. Go back into our contour, get rid of the ones we don't want. Alright. We're gonna look up some baby feet now. Gonna have a lot of options. Pick the best one that works for your project. And I'm gonna change the color. Now we're gonna go into watching it being cut out into my Cricut. Now we're going to go ahead and remove it. Alright, peeling it from the mat. Go ahead and cut out that extra stuff. I like to save it as much as possible. No sense in wasting all that good material. Alright, weed all that extra stuff off to get our words. This is my favorite part. So relaxing. Alright, and there you have it. Go ahead and weed the other one out. Yeah, pick an area to start in and then just go from there. HTV is much easier to weed than the permanent vinyl, that's for sure. Go ahead and line it up. I'm just laying it out to see if it looks good. Here we got our elephant, our little heat press. We're going to cut it all up and get it ready to press onto it. We're going to be nice and confident with our presses. Never want to go in there not confident because it will mess up for sure. Cold peel. Line up the name. And a nice press. Press it down. So I had to do a double press because it took up the whole ear. Peel all the little plastic off. Now we're going to add the white wording. Make sure it's all lined up and perfect. One good press. Cold peel that, don't want to ruin it. As we put the final touches on our creation, remember that every stitch tells a story.
Thanks again for joining us on this project at SnoBomb Creations. If you want to see more videos like this and seeing more heartwarming projects like this, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button.
Until next time, keep spreading that love and creativity. Happy crafting, creators.